Here we are back in WordPress. This time we're going to change the theme. If you followed the previous tutorials, you would have already created a blog. This is the standard blog. Once you get into the blog, you will need to go into what we call the dashboard, and to do this you need to log in, and you need to type in the password that either you set as you set up your blog or was sent via an email. And here we have the dashboard. Now this is pretty common to all the themes and things that you may want to use. So the first thing we want to do, I'm going to create a standard theme that I like, and it's called Suffusion. And say there are so many themes you can use, but I'm just going to use Suffusion. So if you go to the appearance and theme options, in fact themes, here we are. What you need to do, you can see what you got, your current themes here. This is the current one. If you go up to the top there and install themes and type in Suffusion, and you can look at, spell it Suffusion and search, and you should see it come up. Once you see this, you then need to install it, or extract in this case, and just follow the instructions to install. And here you are, you can see it installing, and once it's installed you just need to activate it. Now this version is 3.8.2. clearly this is increased as time goes on, and it will be a later version of this, but it won't matter, it all looks much the same. And as it says here, don't panic. What I'm going to do, I'll be taking you through the various menus and screens to try and help it as simple as possible to help you create your own blog. And I think in this process you will start learning a lot of the techniques yourself, and you'll be able to do your own thing. So here we are, appearance under Suffusion options, and there are a number of menus at the top there that we're going to go through. Not all of them, I'm glad to say. There's only a few key ones we need to concentrate on, and that should be sufficient enough to be able to give you the opportunity to create the blog of your choice. And I'm just going through the various menus here just to see what it looks like. Now here's a particular layout of a blog page. When I say blog, I'm talking about a WordPress blog page, or your landing page, or your site, in terms of what you want to advertise your goods, your wares, your services, or whatever it is that you want to do. And as I said, we'll take you through all of this, let's keep it as simple as possible. Now believe me, it's not easy putting a step-by-step tutorial together for WordPress, because I can know it's quite complicated, but I'm going to try and keep it simple. So if you go to the dashboard, let's see what a page looks like on this particular blog as it is. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to pages and all pages. What you will have here is an example, as it says, a sample page. I'm just going to edit this so you can see what it looks like. There's not much in it. This is where you're going to do a lot of your work when we get into the meat of this, but I'm just going to view the page, and here we have it, your fantastic blog. Not really. As you can see, it's pretty tame, pretty basic at this stage. It's just a framework. And as I said, we're going to take it through stage by stage, or step by step, on be able to create a blog of your choice, but I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible. So for example, here's a particular post that a site that I have up and running, ideasworkfromhome.com. You can see there's various menu bars, there's sections down to the left hand side, or the right hand side I should say. Here's another one, freelyprosperous.com. You can see a little welcome video there as well, so we can talk about videos and things like that as well. And there's another one here, which is the one we're going to use actually for example. This is building a prosperous life. Just saying that as an example, but we'll learn how to do all of this on the next tutorial. So see you there.